All right, so starting to suck a little bit. You have to move over all the hardware, but the bolt from factory is welded on. So when I come over here, I'm sorry, the nut is welded. So when I move over here, they don't have the same setup. They don't have a nut welded on. So now I don't have a nut on this side. Same with this one. The nut is incorporated or welded onto the OEM muffler, but it's not here. So I gotta find a bolt now. And the lock washer, I guess, too. Pain. So this is the Rogue Engineering M4 Diablo, I believe is the model number or model name. 4 things I hate so far is that it didn't come with any of the hardware. It came with the bracketing points, but not the hardware. You had to transfer it over. And it would have been fine, but the bolts, the nuts, sorry, something happened. The nuts on the OEM exhaust are welded on, so you can transfer the washers and everything except for that bolt. So I had to run over to Ace Hardware to get a bolt, lock, washer, and another washer just to make sure it's secure. Comes wrapped up. The original packaging looked a little beat up, but it seemed to be okay. Did notice a little dent right here. It comes with some extra protective like film that I gotta peel off. Yeah, so those are the 4 things I hate. Because 1, 2, and then on the other side, that's 3, 4. But let's see how it sounds once I get everything installed. Let me continue another quick look at the whole thing. So on the underside, it has their logo stamped in there, RE. It's hard to see from the glare, but it's in that area there. The fitting at the bottom is nice and shiny, so hopefully it'll last the test of time. Well, all in all, it looks pretty pretty beefy. Let's see how it sounds. Ran the Ace Hardware, got the nuts and the lock washers and another washer. So got the first one on, had to partly bring it back down and adjust the height of it. There's a bolt, you could have some slack, so I had to bring the bolt down so when I mounted it, it would pull the exhaust up. But I think it's in a good place. Onto this one to transfer the hardware over to the. All right, doing the second one. The first one's on the driver's side. Like I said, I was able to get the Ace Hardware to get the nuts, bolts, sorry, the nuts, washers, and lock washers to finish the job. One thing I do have to say, they look really nice. This one doesn't have any dents. The other one had a little dent here, but that's cosmetic, and that's on the underside of the car, so you can't see it. But they're definitely lighter than the factory ones. I don't know about half the weight, but it's pretty noticeable when you pick them both up. Oh! I'm thinking it might be too loud now. Yeah, look at that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. A little backfire. It's the neighborhood, brother. It's the neighborhood. a little bit.
This is good for convertible, you know?
Yeah.
You don't want it too much.
Note to self, don't let Ricky drive my car anymore. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you my verdict on the new exhaust. Again, it's a Rogue Engineering MZ4 Diablo exhaust. I only went with the mufflers. I didn't go with the cross pipe or the first two pipes that come off of the headers, which they do make it all the way through from end to end. Didn't want to deal with all that that sound, but regarding my setup with just the mufflers itself, sounded very good. Initially I thought it was a bit loud, but that was because I was in the garage. Once I started driving around and I got my wife's thumbs up, so she's okay with it, the sound level isn't too bad, but it does sound great. I mean, I haven't had a modified exhaust in a while. It's always been OEM for the last few years, but I'm very happy with this setup. I'm also getting some cross pipe and a super sprint exhaust for this one. This one actually, I ordered that months before the Rogue. That's another video, how unhappy I am with Turner Motorsports, but let's put a pin on that and we'll discuss that on another day or another video. But yep, I'm very happy with it. A buddy of mine, Ricky, who was in the video with me, he's experienced the Strum Mug. I'll put the name of the exhaust system. I think it's Strum Mug, and he also has experience with the RPI exhaust. And he says this one here, the Rogue, falls in between those two. So if you've had experience with the extremes, then you'll know where, more or less, where this one fills in. But as far as the Strong, that one is a little bit louder than OEM, and then RPI is pretty aggressive. So this one, like I said, falls in between the two. I'm very happy with it. Took it out again today to a local car show. Try to take it through some back roads that Florida's pretty flat, so but you can find some nice curves here and there. But it had a blast with it. Well guys, that's it. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.